Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching me eat. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and I'm being me. Hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm burping for free. What? Thank you for subscribing to my channel. It's all on me. You guys, we did it! We are at 1,000 subscribers. First of all, let me get the mic. I would like to thank my original burpees that's been with me from the beginning to the end. We are a year and a half in this thing. And I just want to say thank you for sticking with me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Shay Shay, and this is shaynichelleeats. And today, we are eating Yolo Chicken in Beltsville, Maryland. And I always wanted to try pork cutlet. It's cheesy. Ooh, that looks so good. So I'm gonna probably try that first. And then I got some Gan-Jajangmyeon, you already know, original black bean with like the onions and everything. So I'm gonna try this first because, oh, that's cheesy. Hold on. Hold on, that's really cheesy, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try this whole thing. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. That's so bomb. Pickled radish yellow. So this, that was bomb. I'm over here like, wow. Hold on, so it has rice cakes in it. This is a rice cake with some cheese. I don't know what this is. Look. Oh my gosh, it's so cheesy. This is their pickled radish. Right. I like this one. This one's sweeter. So let's try their jajangmyeon, whatever, jaja. I don't know if I ever say it right, but this is it. So they give you like a lot, honestly. And it's like onions, pork, and everything. So I'm gonna try. Ooh. I'm gonna try a good amount. See what it's working with. Y'all know I love me some freaking noodles. Okay. Nice and thick. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna get some more of this real quick. I wish I would have got more pickled radish. Ooh, this is really good and cheesy. So, Yolo Chicken in Beltsville, Maryland, they just opened. That's good. Damn, look at this rice cake though. That shit long. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so hard. Come through. Yolo Chicken. Their rice cakes are like big. Okay. So this is what I said I was gonna do. I'm gonna chug this Sprite without burping. Okay, here we go. sugar. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, excuse me, it's already gonna come out. Oh, excuse me. I tried. I got halfway in. Whoa. Excuse me. Excuse me. Someone told me to inhale air when my burps get stuck. Whoa. Oh, excuse me. That one's a wet one. Ugh. Okay, let me get some food in because I'm really hungry. You guys, like, look where we're at. Like, look over here. Hold on, I got some more. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, that one was wet too. Yuck. So good. Okay, so they didn't give me an egg. Okay. Rolling in the sauce. It's just an egg. It's just an egg. So let me show you the pork cutlet first. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's literally pork, fried pork, I think. I don't know. It's good to me. I've been looking for this shit ever since I seen it on Instagram when I would watch the mukbangers. Oh my gosh. They's not playing with these rice cakes. All right, let me show one. Let's see, I took my hair out again. I'm indecisive. What do you want me to do? All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of this Sprite. See what we get. Oh my goodness gracious. That Sprite be hitting me, y'all. Excuse me, like. All right, he said inhale, take in air. Oh, I think that works. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, what a relief. Excuse me. Excuse me. These rice cakes and this cheese. Okay, so I just like finish this. I'm gonna try the good old sparkling water. You know how that sparkling? It's just all carbonated drinks, honestly. Ooh, you can't drink those fast. Oh, you see those bubbles? Can you see? These bubbles is going. You can't drink that fast. Oh. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Hold on. Excuse me. Oh. Sometimes when those burps get out, it's like it relieves your whole body. Like, you know, I'm good. I think I got a little bit more Sprite. He said inhale air. I'm inhaling the shit out of air right now. And it's making me feel like I got a burp. Woo. Them nose is like, if y'all see my tummy right now, that baby is growing and then it's like, whoo, slowing down. It's deflating. But these rice cakes are calling my name. Woo. I keep eating, I'm about to explode, y'all, for real. I'm getting full. Y'all, this thing giving me the itis. And it has, do y'all see, like, it has, like, the meat in it. Can you see? It's good. It's good, it's good. I don't know if I can eat no more, though. That's all I did. I'm gonna drink some more of this. Okay. Oh. Oh. I'm full. Please, don't make me. Excuse me. More's coming. Excuse me. Ugh. That one was nasty, and I'm ending it on there, okay, guys? I got to add this that fast, so thank you for subscribing to my channel, getting me to 1,000. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the. Woo! I'm really getting full. Oh, my tummy. My tummy is bubbling right now, like, and I'm not even trying to be funny. It's bubbling. I could say boosty caca. I got that from Selena. But yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. 1,000. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh. I don't know what that was. Oh, did you guys hear something? Thank you to you. Thank you to you. Thank you to you and to you and to you. Now I need to put the microphone. Where did I put the microphone at? I don't even fucking know. I don't even fucking know. But there it is. There it is.